Are you ready for today's virtual field trip? Do you want to get away? Well, let's get away to the Colosseum and Capitoline Museum in Rome, Italy. Both spots represent the great Roman history. What you will need for this virtual field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready? Andiamo!
In Google, search for the Colosseum. On the results page, you'll see the map view here on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and click on that. We have a look down on Rome. We need to zoom in either using the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right-hand side. But keep your cursor as close to the Colosseum as you can so it stays centered on the screen. Zoom in until you start to see the outline. You can click and drag to recenter on your screen. There we go. Perfect. Now let's grab our street view friend, Mr. Pegman, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click and drag them in. Make sure to place them along a blue line. The blue dots are photos that have been uploaded by other users. The blue line is the official Google Streets access. So I'm going to drop him here. And it looks like I hit on a blue dot. I can tell because it has a person's name over here in the upper left-hand corner. So let me click out. It helps to really zoom in so you can stay clear of those blue dots. See, more have shown up so I can get a little bit more official street view. There we go. All right, to take a look around, you can click and drag your mouse. Take a look at that. How cool is that? We're inside the Colosseum. To move around, you'll see arrows and X's. Click to move forward. You can take small steps or large steps. Wow, it's amazing. All right, there's so much to explore in the Colosseum, so I hope you take the time to continue your virtual field trip. We are going to head to our second location of this virtual field trip, so let's back out. And now I'm going to type in the Capitoline Museum. And we're going on over to the west side. And let's zoom in where our pinpoint is. Zoom in until the building outline takes up most of your screen. And there we go. Let's grab Pegman again and bring them on over to a blue line. And here we are. Pivot, take a look around. And when you see a blue dot that appears like that, you can click on it to find out more information about the artifact. So we're going to back up and zoom in one more time. Let's give this a try. Head on over, let's head here. Really cool Roman art around. Let's back out one more time and drop us over here. Now we're inside the building and see more paintings with lots of blue dots so you can learn about all these amazing paintings. Head this way. So cool. Okay, as you can see, there's so much to explore with this museum. So I hope you take the time and explore what all it has to offer.
So what was your favorite part? What did you think of the Colosseum? To further your experience, use the guided activities at planolibrarylearns.org to further your trip. And we will see you on the next virtual field trip.